Hey there, everybody. Today was one of the first truly warm, dry days we've had in quite a little while. And one of the things I was doing was being out here weeding some of the pots, and to be honest, deciding not to weed some others because the lightning bugs have seemed really happy hanging out on some of these guys while I've been doing this work. So those get left. That's fine. But, in kind of the Bob Rossian spirit of happy little accidents, I noticed among some of these pots little hints of surprises and happy little accidents just waiting to be discovered. Like this one right here has a few little friends coming up, and I'm not sure if that was me mixing up potting or if it's sending up some suckers. Don't know, but it's neat. I'm happy to see it. And then there are instances like this where it's a chokeberry with some comfrey and what I believe is some anise hyssop, because we were scattering seeds like all over the place. And if you look in this pot over here, there are a few more. And so I'm not sure really what I'm going to do with them. I do have to come in and take out the maple there, and a maple and some trifoliums there, and keep working. But I thought it was neat. A little polyculture in a pot. A pottyculture. That sounds dirty. Let's scratch that. But things are looking pretty happy. I had another thought today, and I'm not sure what you folks will think of this, but I'm thinking I'm going to try it with at least two of these. So we know that these guys, which are the Amelanchier canadensis, that we took from roots growing out of a girdling situation in a pot that we picked up last year. So we took root cuttings, and I was thinking to myself today, what would it look like to intentionally leave two of these to grow out in such a way that they eventually express roots. I mean, they're starting to express them down through the pot here in a few locations already on a few of them. And so what would it look like for us to intentionally, rather than disturbing the soil way over there where they're planted in their group, what if we had alternative methods of growing them out in a way that didn't require us to turn quite as much soil over, and we could instead take a couple of cuttings from a select handful of pots every year. And we recently brought home some more pots that are considerably larger, and I have a few that I think could make great candidates for this. So if you folks are interested in it, I think I can do enough sifting of dirt and wood chips and duck muck to come up with enough potting mixture to fill one of these and let an Amelanchier just go absolutely bonkers in it. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to get back to doing more weeding and gardening in these things. I see time coming up in a few of the boxes that we scattered it in. Still no woody perennials, but where it's been chilly and kind of wet, I don't know that I expect the viburnums to pop up just yet. I expect them to kind of do it in the height of summer, I guess, based on the literature that I've read. Perhaps you guys, or one of you, has dealt with them growing from seed and can offer something more refined in the way of timeline expectations, or if I've already missed it, that's possible too. But we're going to get back to it so that I can enjoy the holiday coming up and spend some time doing some things to make our house even nicer for the house guests that we're expecting in the next week. So we're going to get back to things. I hope you all are well. We hope you had a wonderful June. Until next time, thanks for watching. Happy planting.